Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server via invite link. So if you want to join a Discord server via their link, it's quite simple and this is how you can get it done. Example, this is my server. You can say welcome to normal server, and right now I want to invite friends to my server, so I'm just going to click on this first option, which is invite your friends. So I'm just going to tap on this option. So right here I'm gonna copy my link and see can actually have a friend, a single friend on my chat list, so can just easily invite this person, or probably can just easily copy my link right here. This is my link. You can see this is the link to my server. Just click on it, then copy it. Then just simply have my friends outside this course that I want them to join my server. So I just go there to their right to their DM, then post my link. So once they click on it, it will take them back to my server and join my server. And that's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.